Hi, hope you are doing well. This is a brief video about the type 1 question answer section. Since we already checked about this whole section, so one thing which I did here is about adding the quiz section. We have these tags, so later I will add some search so we can easily search through all the questions. Since we have only three, so we have three, but in future let's say we have more hundreds or 500 or these many questions. So right now the limit is 20 questions per page, so in that case we need to have some search or something. So I will update this one, but for now let's see our type 1. So I'm going to quiz, and then once we click on view 1, then we will see the type 1 sections where we can see all the things here. On top we have description, then we have this uh, title of our quiz and all the questions and the sections. So let's start. So the first scenario is when we click on check answer, then we have this alert which says please select an answer. So once we select any answer, so we can also change, let's say I select this here, and then now if I click on check answer, we'll see, oops, this one is incorrect. So now you can see this one is correct, and we have this section here, the description, and the reference site, we need to make it like selection, but it doesn't affect any here. So now I'm going to move on next question. So in next question we can see question number 2 and out of 3. So right now I'm going to select this last one. I click check answer. Oops, yeah, that one is correct. So you can see only correct and there is no answer since it is correct. Now I'm going to click on next answer. So right now you can see 3 out of 3, and I'm going to select this second one, and I click on check answer. The same thing is happening. This one is incorrect and this is correct, so we have all the details here. And this is the last question. Since it is the last question, we don't have any next button here, and the user need to click on finish. So once they click on finish, they will see the total score here. So one correct answer out of 3 and your score is 33%. We have this whole free simulator section. When we click here, we'll go to the second simulator one. When we click on buy, for now it's just redirecting me to my PayPal. We can update it to yours. And oops, okay, let me just fill out quickly, so it just finish this. So right now 0 out of 10 you can see, and now you can see here. And then we have this, maybe we can add just target blank, so it will open in a new tab. This one also in new tab. So question 1, we have this section here, and then last we have this. Let me go back and then fill all the 3 questions so we have more view. Let me just choose this check answer. This one is correct, and let me select this iris common new. Next question, and I'm going to select this one. Let's see now, and finish. So we have one correct out of 3, and this one is correct, this one is incorrect. So this is the already selected which I selected in previous, and all the questions are listed here. If we refresh the page, we will lose this whole thing, since it's just in a state. And we can also pass it to the backend and save, since it is not a requirement, so I just left it here. And then, but we have a whole one variable, we can send it to the backend and easily save. There is no issue. Let me just finish without, let's say I click one question, and at any point of my question answer sections, I can click on finish, and then I will see my score. So you can see 100 of 100, since the one question which I updated is correct. So this is a brief overview for current implementation of type 1. Right now I'm working on type 2.